Ever wondered how to make the perfect tzatziki? It's a refreshing Greek sauce that adds a tangy zest to your meals. And today, we're going to unravel the secrets behind this creamy delicacy. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of thick Greek yogurt, 1 cucumber, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and the juice of 1 lemon. Not to forget, a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Now let's begin with the cucumber. Peel it, slice it in half lengthwise, and scoop out the seeds. Grate the cucumber and place it in a sieve over a bowl. Sprinkle a little salt over it and let it sit for about 20 minutes. This step helps to draw out the water, ensuring that your tzatziki doesn't turn out too watery. While the cucumber is resting, peel and mince the garlic. You want it as fine as possible to ensure the flavor infuses well. Next, chop the fresh dill. Fresh herbs always give a better flavor, but if you can't find fresh dill, dried will work too. Just remember to use less as dried herbs are more potent. Now it's time to mix everything together. In a bowl, combine the Greek yogurt, the minced garlic, chopped dill, lemon juice, and olive oil. Stir it all together until you have a smooth, creamy mixture. At this point, your cucumber should be ready. Squeeze out any remaining water from the cucumber using a clean kitchen towel or your hands. Add the grated cucumber to the yogurt mixture and stir until it's well combined. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it. Your homemade tzatziki is ready to be served. Cool it in the fridge for a couple of hours before serving to allow the flavors to meld together. To sum up, making tzatziki involves grating and draining a cucumber, mincing garlic and chopping dill, then mixing these with Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and olive oil. Finally, season with salt and pepper, and let it cool in the fridge before serving. With this simple guide, you're now equipped to make your own delicious tzatziki. Enjoy this creamy, refreshing sauce with pita bread, in gyros, with grilled meats, or simply as a dip. The possibilities are endless. So go ahead and add a touch of Greek flair to your meals with this delightful tzatziki sauce.